The worst time to practice objection handling is when a real buyer is already pushing back. That is when the buyer says, "This is too expensive," and suddenly your brain goes blank. So most reps defend the price, offer a discount, or say something generic like, "I totally understand." AI can help, not by giving you magic scripts, but by helping you prepare before the pressure hits. Step 1 is to stop treating objections as surface-level statements. When someone says, "It's too expensive," they might mean they do not see enough value, they do not have budget, they fear internal pushback, or they do not trust implementation. Use this prompt. Act like a senior sales coach. Break down this objection into possible hidden concerns and what question I should ask before responding. The goal is not to win an argument. The goal is to understand what is blocking the buyer from moving forward. Step 3 is asking AI for calm, consultative responses that acknowledge the concern and ask a clarifying question. Use this prompt. Give me 3 calm responses to this objection. Each response should acknowledge the concern, ask a clarifying question, and avoid sounding defensive. A weak response is, "We are actually cheaper than most competitors." A better response is, "When you say expensive, are you comparing it to another option? Or are you unsure the return justifies the investment?" Step 4 is building an objection library. Every sales role has repeated objections. For each objection, save what they say, what it might really mean, questions to ask, and possible responses. Step 5 is role play. This is where AI becomes extremely useful. Ask AI to act like a skeptical buyer and push back on price, timing, competitors, trust, and implementation. Then ask it to rate your answers. After a call, paste your notes into AI and ask what objections came up, which ones you handled well, and what to say in the next follow-up. Helps you prepare before the call, think during the call, and improve after the call. But do not memorize AI scripts word for word. That will make you sound stiff. Use AI to understand the objection, generate options, and then put the response into your own voice. If you want the exact prompts for objections, cold emails, follow-up, prospect research, and call prep, grab my free guide. 25 AI prompts every sales rep should steal.